Every one of us start new year with new resolutions and new goals that we want to achieve. Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mind Circle, the place where you'll transform your life and unleash your greatness. My name is Vera, and as we just entered the new year, I would love to share with you on how you can set extraordinary goals for yourself and in your life and really achieve them. I don't know about you, but at the end of every year, before we enter in the new year, I always set goals for myself for the next year. And it can be short-term goals and long-term goals. And why is it important to have goals? For me, it gives me clarity and focus on what I want to do for the next year. So I can list the things that I want to achieve in the next year, and from that list, I can categorize my goals into short-term and long-term goals. And from the goals that I have set, I will cut into pieces into daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly goals. And when you separate big goals into small pieces, it helps you to focus and gives you clarity on achieving your goals in small steps going toward your big goals. And the first thing I do when I set my goals is I write them in my journal. Writing down your goals will give you more focus and strengthen your belief. So don't just say what you want to do, but write them down. Get yourself in a great state before you go into the process of writing them down. If you are in a negative state, let's say you are stressed or you are sad, you won't get good results. So it's important to have a great state before you go into the process of doing it. Whatever comes up in your mind, write it down. What do you want to do? What do you want to contribute? What do you want to give? Write them down step by step. For instance, I will make $1 million in my business. I will buy a house. I will buy a car. Or I will get married. Set a timer. It can be 5 to 10 minutes and write them all down. Be as specific as possible. Write it down for different areas in your life. Start from your health. I want to lose 20 pounds. Or I want to have 15% body fat. Then go into your emotion. I want to be happy when I surround myself with my family and friends. I want to get excited every day waking up working towards my goals. It's how you want to feel at a specific event in your life. Visualize that event. And what kind of emotions do you want to feel? And then the next one is your relationship. What do you want to happen in this area in your life? Maybe you want to improve the relationship with yourself, with your friends, or with your family. Or maybe you want to improve your dating journey, the relationship with your spouse, with your children. Write it down. What do you want to do to improve this area in your life? Be as specific as possible. I want to schedule once a week the time for myself as part of my self-care. Or I want to schedule a dinner time with my spouse at least once a week. Then the next area in your life is your financial. I will make $1 million in my business next year. I will create a new cash flow from my property business. Then set the date when you want to achieve all of them. Can be 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years if you have a long-term goals. Or it can be a weekly or monthly goals. For instance, if you want to lose 10 pounds, it can be a 6-month goal. But if you want to achieve $1 million in your business, it can be a yearly goal. And the next step you want to do is to narrow down and pick the most important 1-year goals for yourself. It could be, I will achieve $1 million in my business. I will lose 10 pounds and I will invest in a house. How many goals you have for each area of your life is absolutely up to you. For long-term goals, here's what I create for myself. Behind me is my vision board. Here I get the goals that I want to achieve in 1, 2, 5, or 10 years time. Here I have my dream car, my dream house, what I want to achieve in the health area in my life, in the relationship area in my life, and I posted some quotes that can keep me inspired when I look at my visualizations board every day. I recommend to create one for yourself, as this will keep you focused on your goals. The most important thing you have to know when you set goals is, first, you have to be specific. How many pounds do you want to lose? How much money do you want to make? And the second one is, it has to be measurable. I want to make $100,000 in a month. That is measurable. I want to exercise for 1 hour every day. It has to be realistic. If it's not realistic, your brain's not going to believe that. There is no certainty, and you are not going to do that. When I set my goals, I make sure that on a scale from 1 to 10, I have a belief at least on scale 7. And the next one, it has to have a deadline. When you don't have a deadline, that is not a goal. You are not going to achieve your goals if you don't have a deadline when you will achieve them. So set your deadline. Write down your goals in present tense and feel like you already achieved that. When you have your goals, the next thing you need is your purpose and massive actions. What is your purpose of having that goals? What do you want to achieve? What inspires you to do that? Maybe because you want to provide for your family, or you want to buy a house and prepare for your future. Why do you exercise? Maybe you want to fit in a dream dress, or you want to feel better and lighter. What is important when you set goals is you get inspired by your goals. It makes you feel excited every morning to wake up and work towards your goals. Write down all your goals, put it in your pocket, in front of your working space, or anywhere you can see it easily. I really want to encourage you to go into this process and set your own goals. So that is my goal setting process on how to set goals. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that it can help you in setting your goals. With commitment and massive actions, you can achieve your goals. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the resources I have provided for you in the description below that will help you to improve yourself and your life in this new year. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already, and turn on the bells to get notified when I post my new videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.